My highest weight was 273 pounds, which is around 124 kilograms. I had a lot of fat on my body and around my organs, which is very dangerous, especially around my liver. My blood sugar was very high. My blood pressure also out of control. I was constantly dizzy. It was so draining. It came to a point where I just couldn't sleep normally. I couldn't squat down. I couldn't tie my shoes. I couldn't breathe normally. I couldn't walk without getting tired. One of my biggest issues definitely was my binge eating disorder. And it was something that lasted for years. I lost 105 pounds in a matter of 7 months. I truly turned my life around discovering Freelee's YouTube channel, reading the eBooks, taking her advice, listening to her, truly listening to what she has to say. Just opened my eyes completely, starting raw till 4. No more binging, no more restrictions. It's so free. My skin is amazing. I sleep so well throughout the whole night. I'm just so happy. It truly changes the way you look at yourself and the world, at animals, everything. It truly changed me.
What are you waiting for? Stop the binging, lose the fat for good on a fruit-based diet. Link in my bio.